Hello and welcome back to the Frank Olsen Twins YouTube channel. A few weeks ago I made a ribbon microphone in the style of the iconic RCA44. Today I'm testing this mic against an actual 1950s RCA44 mic. The comparison drum beats to follow were recorded in a pretty dry studio setting, with both mics a few feet off a vintage Rogers drum kit. Both mics were recorded at once, so each sample will be played twice, once to feature the RCA and once to feature my DIY mic. The music will get a little louder, so if you're wearing headphones, turn down the volume now. I also used my Wood 44 clone to record some acoustic guitar as well as a modern drum kit. This last clip is just a pair of wood ribbon motors in a blumlein pattern as drum overheads. So there you have it, some samples of an RCA 44 as well as my 44 clone. I narrated this video with my 44 clone as well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more. Thanks for watching.